Hey everybody, it's about noon Thursday, January 10th, and I'm currently offshore heading from West End on Grand Bahama Island to Lucaya, which is further south on the island. It's going to be the first step. Going to stay there tonight to get there in one piece, and then the plan is to leave tomorrow for the Berries, which is further south. Decided to skip Abacos this go round because they get more of the weather being further north than the from what I understand, the Exumas, Berries, and Eleuthera do. So don't know whether you can see it, but off in the distance is my friend Wright and his dog Bristol in his Bristol 47. So he's an old hand at the Bahamas and knows his way around. So I talked him into letting me buddy boat with him on this trip. And he's also a single-hander, except for his dog. And got a sweet old black lab named Bristol. Anyway, right now winds, well, apparent wind is about 13 knots. It has been up as high as 21. The boat, we're under sail. The boat is going anywhere from 4.5 knots to it's been as high as 8 knots. They're about 4-foot seas out here, and so bouncing a little bit on that, and that makes the sails flutter a bit. And we're pretty much going almost, well, the wind is coming from the starboard stern, so we're not on a beam reach. We're not quite heading direct dead downwind either, but anyway. Oh, everybody likes to see the sails up, so let me see if I can do this without falling off the boat. You see I got my Bahamian courtesy flag up. Jib and main. Cockpit looks like a bit of a mess. The wind was really blowing coming out of old Bahama Bay Marina, and Wright was in beside another boat, Jeff and Kelly's Brewer designed boat, and it turned him as he was trying to back out, and he couldn't get the bow around far enough to avoid actually scraping along their dinghy, and knocked Wright's barbecue grill off of his stern rail. Of course, that immediately sank in 12 feet of water there. Imagine somebody at the marina will probably dive on it at some point. Anyway, it's a pretty day. It's not that hot. It's only in the upper 60s. Let me get back to paying attention to the sails. Wright's about a mile ahead of me at this point. Let's see what we can do here. All right, all for now.